When I was in pharmacy tech school, this was really an issue for some students in my class. Like literally till 2 weeks before we were about to take our finals, people were still like, I don't understand day supply. So let me try this. I'm gonna do a tablet example and then I'm gonna do a liquid example. Okay, so let's break it down. Let me get two markers real quick and we can start. Okay. So metformin, this is the order that the doctor gave you. The doctor said, I want you to dispense metformin 200 milligrams. Dispense 250 milligrams. Dispense 250 tablets. And the SIG is 2 POBID. Now I'm going to write that out for you in case you don't know what that means. This means take two. Take two what? Tablets. PO means by mouth. BID means twice a day. Okay? So, this is the SIG. This is how the doctor writes. And he's not writing this for you. He's for the patient. He's writing this for the pharmacist or the pharmacy technician. So when we see this, we know what these signs mean. You might not know if you're not in school for this, but if you are in school for this, this is a good way to review. Take two tablets by mouth twice a day. When you type out the SIG for the patient, you have to type it out. You cannot write this for the patient. By law, you have to say take two tablets by mouth. Even though you and I know that tabs go in your mother effing mouth, you have to write by law by mouth twice a day. Calculate day supply. That means that you need to calculate how many days you're calculating how many days the 250 tabs, 250 tablets will last the patient if they're taking it at this rate, right? This is what we're basically calculating. If you're like, wait, what am I supposed to calculate? This is what you're calculating. When I say calculate day supply, it means how many days the amount that you are dispensing is going to last the patient. So here's how we're going to break it down. In one day, first you need to know in one day, how many? Let's go, how many tabs? In one day, how many tabs do you think they're going to take? So it says two tablets by mouth twice a day. So that means two tablets times two times a day, each day equals to 4 tablets. That means every single day, this patient is going to take 4 tablets of metformin. So if I have 250 tablets and they're taking 4 tablets a day, how many days are they going to take these 250 meds? So when do they need to come back to the pharmacy, basically? How do you get that? Total meds, total amount of meds divided by the total amount each day. Now, this is common sense to me. If it's not, that's okay. That's why I'm here. I'm teaching you this. Total amount of meds is what? 250 tablets total. And then he's taking what? 4 tablets a day. I'm also going to break this down for you if you don't know. How would you calculate this? If you're stuck, if math is really hard, I'm breaking it down. Don't worry. 4 goes here one time. 4 goes into 25 how many times? 6 times, right? 6 times 4 is 24. So here I'm going to say 6. There's 1 left. 4 goes into 10 how many times? 2. There's going to be a 2 left. So we're going to say 0.2. So it's going to be 62. So this is to calculate what? This is to calculate amount of days, which is basically day supply. So then we have 62.2. There's no 0.2 day, right? So we're going to round it down. Why? Because if you're supposed to take 4 medications, 4 pills every day, and you only have 1, you don't have enough for the whole day. So that day does not count. So we're going to round it down when you're counting days. So this is going to be 62 days, which is 2 months and 1 day. So in 2 months and 1 day, I can expect the patient to come back, or I can expect the system to tell me that this medication needs to be refilled because they are out of medications. That's day supply in tablets. I'm going to do day supply in liquids next.